involves electromagnetic induction also. Electromagnetic induction and electromagnetism combination I will be calling as magnetic effects of current. It is the combination of moving charges and magnetism and electromagnetic induction. Two bits we can expect. So I am separating EMI, I have get separated. EM from the EMI, electromagnetic induction, we can expect what? From electromagnetic induction, we can expect what? 1 by 2 EMI. From EMI, electromagnetic induction. So when you see this bits, here each to this, here 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then optics. If you are interested in the optics, definitely 2 questions will get from the optics. Not difficult, but we must have a proper plan and we must have a subject in it. Optics means. So if you spend some little bit time, there is a possibility you will get optics. Optics means ray optics and wave optics together. We can expect 2 things. Ray optics and wave optics together we can expect 2 things. So here 3 we take a major, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 11 is. So 11 folds are 5. When you come to the first year topics, these are the second year topics. Okay, first year topics. Units and measurements is one of the easy chapter and which has a relation with all the remaining chapters. This units and dimension chapter will have a relation with the remaining almost 29 chapters. So that first year topics. This first year topics, units and measurements. Definitely one thing. The units and measurements, dimensions, including dimensions. Every year they are giving one question. You can expect one question. So the better to just go through this chapter one by 2. It is not a different one. It is not a different one. Next one. The first year, what power energy is there? First you will go for kinematics. Kinematics, a few topics are there. Motion in a straight line, in other words. But J means point of view we call as a kinematics. 1 bit is definite. 1 bit is definite. And 2 also sometimes rare occasions. 1 is compulsory. Horizontal motion, vertical motion, problems based on calculus integration graphs. That's it. These are the problems. Very simply you can do. That is kinematics. 1 bit. And we go for laws of motion. That is you can take it as a choice because a number of models are there. But 2 questions will be expected from the laws of motion. But number of models, number of questions, number of topics, very huge when you come to the point of laws of motion. But when you go for work power energy, it is a limited topics and easily scoreable. We can score. Okay, we can score definite mark in the work power energy. If we have a proper engine in this work power energy. So 1 bit is compulsory. And probably sometimes we may also get 2 bits. 1 is compulsory. And the other one is rotational dynamics. System of particles. Okay. When you come to the system of particles, rotational dynamics combination with center of mass, we can expect 2 bits. Center of mass and rotational dynamics together we can expect 2 bits generally. And elasticity, very simple topic, we can get 1 bit. Elasticity, Young's modulus, problems based on Young's modulus first, stress and strain, relation between Young's modulus, work modulus, relative modulus, strain energy. These are the major topics and easily we can get. So elasticity, is also otherwise called as mechanical properties of solids, elasticities, otherwise called as what? Mechanical properties of solids, elasticity. So one way determined. And lastly, in the heat point of view, kinetic theory of gases, kinetic theory and thermodynamics, speed from this two books. When you are observing the previous years, one question is getting from kinetic theory of gases, and as well as one question is getting from thermodynamics. Together, if you work out these two chapters properly, kinetic theory of gases and thermodynamics, you will get 2 marks. So in the first year, if you count it, so 1 mark plus 1, okay, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 11 questions, here 8 questions. So second year, 11, first year, 8. So together it is 90 questions. Those are 76 marks. So what about the remaining chapters? You will say, the remaining chapters, if you work out the previous year model questions, the remaining chapters, here I have not written mechanical properties of fluids. Okay. Laws of motion I did not write. So the chapters which I have not written in the first year and second year, those chapters, how to plan those chapters means, if you work out the previous year questions from those chapters, that will give us support. Right. So in that way, we can plan for physics, and all the best for your exams. Thank you.